Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on real quick and let you know about some new things in my Etsy store. I have quite a bit of books and I needed to use them, and so I decided to share the pages in these books. So what I've done is I've compiled these packs of book pages, and there's about 50 pieces or more in here. 50, 51. And so I just wanted to show these to you. There's a variety of different kinds. And that's what they look like. So what I'll do is, let me go ahead and just pull one of these out here and show you. Some of these book pages are really, really old. I believe one of these are from 1912 or 1933. But I've just gathered them. You know, when I go to thrift stores and things, I always love to look for the old books. This is a friendship book page. And here's a bird page. And flower book page. I'll just go through here quickly and show you a recipe, old recipe book pages. There's this one. There's some more, a really old recipe book. Here's a novel pages. Some very old poetry book. It says Shakespeare writing sentences. Another recipe book. It's got the punched spiral holes in there. That's a nice effect for making tags and things. This is part of a book. Yeah, a bird book, I believe. Here's a whole story out of that very old book. I just took the whole story and put it in here. And these pages, as you can see, they're really, really old. Here's this one. This is a very old dictionary. Some music paper. Here's a nice envelope that can be worked with, distressed or whatever. A Vienna cookbook. Pages here. I just love the illustrations on these. They're very nice. Here's this one. It's this one with quotes. There's an embroidery book page. A cookbook again. And a money book. A nature book. Music paper. And an art book. I love this scene right here. It's a pretty big page. But alright, so these are going to be in my Etsy store. I also have some books for sale in there now, and go check it out and see if there's anything you need to add to your collection. And I'll be adding more as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon. Have a great day.